স্মার্ট মিটার বন্ধ করক, ইলেকট্রিসিটি বিল রোধ করক, ইলেকট্রিসিটি বিল রোধ করক, রাজ্য হারাস্তি করা বন্ধ করক, রাজ্য হারাস্তি করা বন্ধ করক, জনবিরোধী নীতি বন্ধ করক, ইলেকট্রিসিটি বিল রোধ করক।
স্মার্ট মিটাৰ হোৱাৰ পৰা আমাৰ যে কিমান যে কি কয় বিল বাঢ়িছে সেইটো কথা আমি নকলেও নহ'ব, কাৰণ আজি এই স্মাৰ্ট মিটাৰে মানুহবিলাকক আমাৰ জ্বলা-কলা লগাইছে। কাৰণ এনেকুৱা এটা মিটাৰ হৈছে যিটো যোৱাকালি পৰহি দিনত আমাৰ কাৰেণ্টৰ বিল আহিছিলে 2000-3000 বেছিকৈ হ'লেও, কিন্তু আজি এই স্মাৰ্ট মিটাৰ জৰিয়তে আমাক 9 লাখ পৰ্যন্ত আমাক বিল অহা পৰ্যন্ত হৈছে। সেইকাৰণে আমি বহুত মানে ভুগিছোঁ। আমি সেইকাৰণে আমি এই আজি প্ৰটেষ্টটো এইকাৰণে লৈছোঁ যাতে আমাৰ এই স্মাৰ্ট মিটাৰটো আমাৰ দৰকাৰ নাই, আমাক আগৰ যিটো আছিলে সেইটো মতে আমাক সুবিধাটো দিব লাগে। বিজেপি সম্পূৰ্ণৰূপে লুটি আছে আমাক এই স্মাৰ্ট মিটাৰৰ নামত। তেখেতসকলে স্মাৰ্ট মিটাৰৰ এইটো নতুনকৈ যিটো লগাইছে তেখেতসকলে এইটো ঠিকাদাৰ হিচাপে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছে আৰু সেই ঠিকাদাৰ তেখেতসকলে নিজেই কৰিছে।
Regarding the smart meter, we are not happy at all because our bills have increased. Not only for a small family, for a poor family, people who have been giving 500-600 are now paying 3,000-4,000. How are they going to do that? With the price rise, everything is so costly, and on top of that, now the electricity bill is also so costly. How are people going to cope with that? Now again we are accusing the BJP government because on the meters itself, in some certain meters you will see that there is Adani written on it. So they are basically giving our money to Adani again. We don't want Adani's meter out here. Who said that we want? We were happy with whatever we had. We didn't have problem. And then with the smart meter, have the electricity been better? No, it has not been better. It is still the same condition. It's summers right now. We don't have current most of the time. Then why are we paying so much more? If it is just like the previous meter and the same amount of bill, it's still fine. Now we are paying double the amount, but the current is still the same. So that's why we are condemning the whole thing, and we don't want the meter. And I request the whole community to come forward with this, because it is not only the Congress party's problem, it is the community's problem. Our people are suffering, so our people need to come out for this. So my request is that.
Some says that it is not, earlier the meter was also same, this is the same.
Yeah, regarding that, I think Piyush Hazarika had said one day that he needs a proof that last year's bill and this year's bill, we will compare it. Okay, we'll come ahead and give you the comparison. Summers was last month also was summers, this month also is summers. Last month my bill was 3,000, this month my bill is 7,000. How is it? So the same amount of electricity is consumed in my house. So I'll tell it for my house also. Last month itself it was 3,000. This month I have to pay 7,000. How am I going to pay? Because you have spoiled the whole economy itself. The economy is not working for us, and you're going on giving us taxes and electricity bills. Everything is increasing. So our public cannot take it anymore.